Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the ringtone problem in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the ringtone, like you want to do the ringtone settings or you are having any problem regarding the ringtone, you can fix this by the methods I will show you. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video, and by the end you will be able to solve the ringtone problem in your device. Let's watch the video.